Janjehli Valley is known for its beautiful lush green meadows covered with the lofty deodars and pine trees. It lies in the interiors of Himachal Pradesh in district Mandi. It is situated at the height of 2150 meters and also known for the most awestruck views in the whole district. So namaste, welcome back to my channel The Himalayan Architect, and today's vlog is about Secrets of Saraj, a vacation in Janjali Valley. Yes, the vlog is about discovering the beautiful Janjali Valley. So here we go. So before visiting, I was unaware of what is coming next. But trust me, after visiting, I was completely mesmerized and amazed with this place. So we went to this old and mysterious villages known as Ravla Court, which is also popularly known as Court. As this village unfolded itself on the way, first thing that I noticed were these old houses made in traditional style that can be seen above from the road. These houses were old enough for being a habitable spaces. So now they are used as a sheep shed on the ground floor. As you can see this beautiful creature peeping out of that small window and having some green grass. So talking about the first floor, which is accessible through a traditional wooden post. So this area is basically used for the storage, and storage such as grass or the seasonal vegetation is done here, which is used by them or their kettles or cows. So yeah, this is very useful area for them. A narrow pathway through these old houses leads to the small wooden temple. This is a powerful deity which is also known as Mata Ravla Kot Jogni or Mata Jogni. This is the Kul Devi or the clan deity of my maternal family and also belongs to this village and the nearby villages as well. Talking about the architecture of the temple, it is just like other Himalayan temples, but the scale is quite small in this case in comparison to the others. Next is about the material. The temple is made in all wood with slates on the roof. The temple is small in area with a single room in which the idol has been established. That's why there is no use of stone can be seen in this one. The wooden carvings of the temple is extremely exquisite and the intricate wooden detailing can be seen. Hindu god and goddesses wooden murals has been carved out on the ceiling and on the walls of the temple. So after visiting this beautiful Janjali Valley, we drove to a very unexpected place which is known as Bulla. Bulla is an open green ground with lush green meadows and full of natural beauty. It is proposed as biodiversity park project and foundation stone has been laid by Chief Minister Jairam Thakur in year 2018. So here we found out these cute little wooden huts which is made for the staying purpose. So these huts contains a single room with a toilet and a small pantry area. These were closed at that time, but we got to know from the people who were working at that time there. Right now, only two huts are being made, which is connected to each other through a trail which is hanging and made up of wooden planks. Made up of wooden planks, these huts look quite cozy and innovative in order to attract the tourist flow in this area. So we had an amazing time exploring these huts and also testing them. But I would like to say that this is a great initiative which is taken by the Himachal government for the tourism purpose, and I would recommend you to come here after the project is complete. These huts are designed in such a way that it appears to be hanging on these devdar trees. Other than these wooden huts, there is also a small temple, few hotels which are under construction, and also sitting areas and gazebos has been designed in the whole complex area. So guys, that was all about today's vlog, a vacation in Jandhari Valley, and I hope you have liked this video, and in case you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel and also comment, share and like to my videos. So till then, take care, bye bye, namaste.